Isn't this strange, Michael? I woke up with this odd stick. And I woke up with this amazing skateboard. I wonder why we got these things. Because you were the ones chosen to be new wizards to defeat Professor Maelstrom. Who's Professor Maelstrom? Oh, he's the evil wizard of all evil things wizardy. Now, please proceed to the next teleportation chamber to get to his castle. Where is it? Oh, it's just behind me. I'll go first! Yeah! I'm gonna be a wizard! Doo-dee-doo-dee-doo. I'm gonna be a wizard too! I didn't realize I was one of those helpers. You up. Later at the castle. Here we are. Gosh, it's bright. Oh my gosh. What's that? It looks like